Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are back with a new requirement. Today we are going to create a Salesforce formula field. Uh, so we have to calculate some rating for the contact, and for that purpose we are choosing two picklist field. One is a development experience, another is admin experience. Each of them will be having three values: A, B, C, and the end result should be. So if the customer select A, and it admin experience if select B, so A and B, here are the values for the A, B, C, 3, 2, 1. So if as I mentioned, if AB is the output, so the calculation is around 3 plus 2 5, and end result in the formula should be 5 equal to very good. So rating for the contact would be very good. Okay. So we'll take another example. If some user select development experience as a C, admin experience as a C, so the count will be around 2, and 2 is poor. So in the rating field, we could see that the poor value should be displayed. So okay, I'll show you how the fields has been already created in Salesforce. So this is the development experience field. It has a three picklist value called ABC. This is the admin experience picklist field. It has a three values ABC, and the resultant should be the formula field. Uh, so I'll show you how to start with the formula field. So here we are expecting the output in text. So I'll choose the text formula field. I'll go to here formula. I'll click on next. I'll because I have already created the field, so I'll just show you how to create the field. So here I will choose the text and I click on the next. And here come the our formula. Uh, So based on the two fields, we have to calculate third field. So I have created a formula in the Salesforce here. So today, for that purpose, we are going to use a case function. So case function basically used for pick list, where we are having multiple options, and in that options we can choose some of the option, and based on it we can calculate a resulted value. So for this requirement I have used the case function. I will explain you the syntax of the case function first. So case function, we can write case bracket, and it is a picklist field, so I'll write text and API name of picklist field, and I'll put a comma here. So suppose my picklist field value is uh, very good, and I have to display a number one in the formula which I'm creating. So I'll write this field. So this picklist has a picklist value called very good, and in the output of the formula I have to display as a number. So I'll write as a one here. Uh, Good, and I'll write as a 2. And if the no value is selected, I'll simply say null. So this is how case function can be used. So this is just a simple case, but here we have to add this field and this field, and we have to take a resultant of these two fields with this calculation. For A it is 6, for B it is 5, for C it is 4, and if it is 4 then good, 6 is excellent, 5 is very good. So here's come our formula. So I have used three case function here. First, the inner case function is for calculating first field, development experience. So as you can see here, in the first second case formula, I have used the text and admin experience, and I put a comma here. I have inserted A, B, C, and according to their value 3, 2, 1. If none is selected, I will put a simply 0 here. Okay. So the first formula for the case is completed here, and then I will click on the plus, because as you could see that we have to add values. So for the first a is 3, for the second a is also 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So for the second case as well, I'll write the same formula, except the difference is I'll put here a different field name, development experience, and I will calculate the same way. So here my second formula is completed. So after that I'll put a comma. So this one is referred as a single pick list field for this case. Okay. So you could see that this one resultant. So this field, so whatever the value provided by this formula plus the whatever the value provided by this formula. Okay, so if 3 plus 3 is 6, so I'll put as a excellent. So if I select, suppose a user select this one as a this one as a B, so it will come down to 5, so which means it is very good. So this is way we will calculate the our end result up to 1, which is a very poor. So 1 will be the case where the first field will not be selected and the second field will be selected. So if it is a C, so automatically the 0 plus 1, it would be the 1, and it will be the very poor. And if the both fields are not selected, then the value should be null. So no value should be displayed in the field. Okay, so I think this should be the clear. So we'll now move to the Salesforce and we will see some examples how the formula is working. Okay, so all right. So I'll select first development experience as uh, A. Okay, so if the A is there, so what should be the output? 3 plus 3, 6, excellent. Right. So I'll click on this save. Yeah, you could see that rating is automatically populated as excellent. So if the A is plus B, that means 3 plus 2, 5. So the 3 plus 2 is 5 is very good. So you can see that 3 plus 2 5 is very good. And if I select C, B plus C is what? B plus C is 3 and 3 is average. So you could see the average is there. Suppose I'll not select this one, I will select as a C. So that means 0 plus 1, very good. Yeah. So this is how we have implemented this requirement with the help of the case function. It is very useful function, you know. So you can also try init off and check it, the result. Okay. So I think hope you guys have learned something new today. And if there are any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends. Okay. So yeah, that's all from my side from for today. Take care. Bye, guys.